The right heroes could make all the difference. Round one, go! They'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong. We are Cloak and Dagger. Get ready. There's a cold snap coming.
The prodigal son has returned.
Taking point while I was out of commission. I can handle things from here.
Charles may have chosen you to uphold his legacy, Scott, but I was there when this dream began.
I suppose the professor...
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Better stop that vehicle!
Much better.
You owe me one. Every little bit helps. I got hit like a
Lights out.
my time to shine. Help never hurt.
That should make a difference.
You stopped in their tracks. Just embrace the light.
Lights out.
My time to shine. Hold still. I'm trying to help.
That's tough,
Eyes peeled.
We got a sniper.
Stop that! Better stop that vehicle! Flame of light!
That should make a difference.
All right, Ty. Now we really have to protect. Hold still. I'm trying to help.
Free heads here.
You owe me one.
Someone trying to fight.
Hold still. I'm trying to help. Stop them in their tracks.
Tough. We come here for extermination.
Disappear against the world.
Magneto!
Lights out.
My time to shine. Thanks. You are nothing. There's still a chance to stop them. Just embrace the light.
That should make a difference.
a checkpoint. Now might be a good time to stop them. Ionic burst!
You are under
Better stop that vehicle! Alright, Ty. Now we really have to attack. I got hit like hard! Everybody needs a hand sometimes. Or a dagger.
I feel like myself again. We're being targeted.
Enemies help.
Disappear! Us against the world! Damage sustained. Shields up! Cosmic rounds. Just keep going.
Perfect precision. You proved yourself, child. Rest and healing. Why would I need healing?
Alright, Ty. Now we really have to attack.
Julia,
Ruby Red just faded to black.
There's still a chance to stop them. I'm hit. I appreciate you. Only 60 seconds left. They hit a checkpoint. Now might be a good time to stop them. Ionic burst. Let the sparks fly! Better stop that vehicle! Life energy, yeah! Let the sparks fly! Better stop that vehicle!
healing. Why would I need healing?
Enemies help.
For mutant kind!
Targeted for extermination.
Now or never! Stop them! A foam of light!
Every little bit helps.
Everybody needs a hand sometimes. Or a dagger.
A feast for my crows! Target locked.
You owe me one. Only 60 seconds left. You stopped them in their tracks.
Of hell are beyond counting.
Sparks fly!
Eyes on this location.
Full blast!
That should make a difference.
Down to 30 seconds. Hold still and try to help. A foam of light. The final 10 seconds. Us against the world. Disappear.
Perfect precision.
Lights out.
The current score is 0-2. Time to switch things up, including which side you're on. You'll need a top-notch team to win this one. We are Cloak and Dagger. We are hope and fear. There's a cold snap coming. Seconds before you attack. Get ready.
You have died countless times. I can feel it.
You're not wrong. The X-Men found a workaround to keep our people from going extinct.
There is a natural order of things. Immortality is meant for gods, not.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold still. I'm trying to help.
Here they are now.
Just embrace the light.
Way better already.
Everybody needs all right, Ty. Now we really have to attack.
Why bother?
Life energy, yo! Keep going! No! That spider nest has got to just embrace the light!
I'll take all the healing I can get.
That should be sufficient.
Everybody needs a hand sometimes. There! Don't turn back now!
Feeling way better already.
That was quite a show, Jubilee.
The vehicle reached a checkpoint. Keep up the momentum.
I need medical help.
Your attacks are
You owe me one.
Thanks for the
Hold
boost.
still. I'm trying to help. You've still got it, Eric.
A sniper targets us.
Life energy, yo! Everybody needs a hand sometimes. Or a dagger. Perfect shot, Scott. Those little spiders pack a punch. Be careful.
That was quite a show, Jubilee.
Halfway there. Keep going.
Hell.
All right, Ty. Now we really have to attack.
Feeling way better already. Julius!
That should make
It's spider time! Hold still. I'm trying to help. Us against the world! Leave it chill! My time to shine! Need to chill! Oh, please drop! Ionic burst! The vehicle reached the checkpoint. Keep up the momentum.
Perfect precision.
I'm trying to help. Why would I need Glad to help.
Shivan!
I'm trying to help.
My spirit
Everyone. What a show, Jubilee.
Zalagi but you might be.
All right, Ty. Get to attack.
shooting from a distance.
Don't let anything stand in your way. Us against the world. My time to shine.
Back up under their noses.
Your dream ends here.
My time to shine. Cool it, folks. Final score: 3-2-2. Another epic victory! Big win! The right heroes could make all the difference. Round one, go!
Open your eyes. Forget the four. We two make quite the pair, Susan.
They'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
Jubilation? I'm glad to see you alive and well. We have been concerned.
Go ahead, Max. I know this is the part where you lecture me for signing up with Apocalypse.
I shall do no such thing. You are free to make your own choices. You're a grown woman after all.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You have to stop them from securing the mission area.
If Apocalypse were here, this battle would already be over. Just saying.
Our enemies are near. I am strength for battle.
You're sneaking from behind.
An unseen assist!
Boom! No skill shot!
Power beyond sight!
My resistance is down.
By the shades of the Seraphim, I return.
You need to stop that vehicle in its tracks.
Dragon punch!
Enemies. Perfect.
Good medicine.
Better stop that vehicle.
An unseen assist. Shield fit for king.
Oh, well, help. Just here.
My
You
life.
don't have to fight alone.
Mortal pain is no match for the Sorcerer Supreme.
Defeated halfway. Stop them. We are undefeated.
My life force.
Double KO.
I
That's
have
3.
unfinished business here.
Let the sparks fly.
Boom! No skill shot!
An unseen assist. For mutant kind. Good medicine.
There's still a chance to stop them. Ooh, what a big scary
I finish what you began.
Time for a blow-up! Shields up! The shields are down.
Power beyond sight.
Consider yourself conquered.
You stop them in their tracks.
I'll take a stab.
Incoming!
You made
Good medicine. Power beyond
Jury!
sight.
Executioner!
By the eye of Agamotto.
Someone clip this!
double KO.
That much closer to victory. Bionic magic! An unseen assist!
Stand down! 气贯长龙
We are undefeatable.
Mortal pain is no match for the Sorcerer Supreme.
I am Asgard's might!
And perfect!
They hit a checkpoint. Now might be a good time to stop them. Better stop that vehicle.
Boom! No skill shot!
Enemy in front of us. An unseen assist. eyes are shaking again. Focus.
Stand
It's
down!
now or never! Stop them!
That's for turning against your fellow mutants!
My dearest
I got
Susan,
hit, like
if only
hard.
you had chosen more wisely.
Out into the storm. Good medicine. Ionic magic! The doctor is in.
Don't give them another inch! Or else. Only 60 seconds left. Shields up!
Boom! No skill shot!
Power beyond sight! Your blows will not affect me.
We are undefeatable! Down to 30 seconds.
By the eye of Agamotto! Ionic magic! Come a long way, Jubilation.
The final 10 seconds. No winner yet. Going to overtime.
Beyond sight!
气贯长龙！
Ionic magic!
The current score is 0-2. Time to switch things up, including which side you're on. You'll need a top-notch team to win this one.
Open your eyes. Reality is but an illusion.
Round 2, go!
Magic is not the only invisible force in play here.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Wizard! I thought you were imprisoned on another... Flame on!
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
It took us a long time to learn that our powers are related.
Tandy needs help.
Oh, they do not.
Good medicine.
Let the sparks fly!
An unseen assist. Ionic magic. Good medicine.
Boom! No skill shot! I'm an easy target.
Our enemies are an unseen assist.
Double KO!
The Shanti command.
I'm trying to help.
Power beyond sight! I am strengthened for battle.
Help get that vehicle to its destination. So dark. The sooner we deliver it, the
Destroy
better.
the Punisher's turret! The Punisher's armored turret is broken. Our enemies are near.
I'm hit. Help me, friends. Against the wall.
The doctor is in. Judge, jury, executioner!
We are undefeatable.
Load it up! Get in here, y'all.
I am strengthened.
Get that vehicle moving again.
You're an amateur, Castle.
Only one.
Let's get this to the planet's core.
Oh, point of drop.
My favorite time!
By the eye of Agamotto!
Again!
An unseen assist!
Again!
I seem to be unprotected.
Ready. Here comes
气贯长
An
虹！
unseen assist! I am strengthened. Power beyond sight!
掉下！
We are undefeatable!
Judge, jury, executioner! An unseen assist!
The Punisher is back. Get that vehicle moving again! Double KO!
The doctor is in.
Unless we want to risk
Only 60 seconds left.
I am strengthened for battle. Power beyond sight! An unseen assist by the eye of Agamotto!
The final nowhere yet. Going to overtime. We are undefeatable.
An unseen assist.
Boom! No skill shot!
Power beyond sight. Judge! An unseen assist.
The vehicle reached a checkpoint. Keep up the momentum.
I have become vulnerable. More powerful yet.
That's it! Don't let anything stand in your way. Only 60 seconds left.
Assist. The Vishanti Wasabi.
Boom! No skill shot!
By the eye of Agamotto. I am strengthened for battle.
Down to 30 seconds.
Power beyond sight.
So close. This is your big chance. You got them all. Final score: 3-2-2. Another epic victory! Big win!
you